Okay, so at long last, the one has landed.
What's up, guys?
Looking
forward to you guys. Looking forward to interactions. Looking forward to impacting. So stay tuned.
On HammerTime. Yes, I just got him from the airport. You know, in Chrome, Kakra. I know Ninja.
Say Chrome. Now, Fufu no way.
What's your favorite soup?
My favorite soup. Zoo soup.
That's the green.
Zoo soup. Yeah.
Either Ben Quine or Cotton Quine.
Everything inside.
We have the Acrantiers, we have the Mre, we have the Cotton.
Snail.
We have a friend Wow.
Snail, wow.
Why a friend? Wow. Okay, so we're going to his hotel to take a rest. Then I'll link up again in the evening. Yeah, check it to where be on them channel. We can see we will Okay, as usual, at Royal Lameta Hotel, Ahonjo, open location, Ahonjo, on Watinga Junction, turning left or right, right from Ahonjo about, left from Dabai. That's Royal Lameta Hotel. I have the Obroni with me. Hey yo, Edzai. I'm Obroni Alande.
Maybe Obroni Mindi Fufu.
Obroni Alande. Obajira home make a crack.
This salad, any kusua.
Kusua in the Yachana Sianwa. Okay, so he's going to take a rest then.
Guys, slight rest. Then to Hammer's humble abode.
Transformations, as usual. So, okay, we're ready to do.